Hey, it's Caleb. If you like this video, be sure to subscribe.
What's up, everybody? Welcome back to your database design series. And I just wanted to share with you real quick. You guys have literally used like all my chalk. It's crazy. So if there's any chalk companies out there and you're looking for sponsorship, I will hook you up. I will advertise your product like every video. I'll be like, wow, look how smooth that chalk is. Get some of your chalk. Or you guys could just like, send me a couple of $1,000 so I can buy like a lifetime supply of chalk. That'd be pretty awesome. But either way, we're going to get into something new in this video. And this is going to be called, okay, so there's a couple different names for this. So basically it's just a standard. It's a standard for drawing databases. And the couple terms you might hear, or acronyms I guess, EER model, ERD, or ER model, or just database design, whichever one's easiest. But basically, these are some terms used to refer to a method used to draw out your entire database structure. These videos I've been drawing tables and lines and drawing tables and lines and stuff and all kinds of cool things like that, but actually I haven't officially designed any database. So what we're going to do, now that we've learned most of the concepts, the only thing we haven't really covered is normal forms, which we'll be getting into those, but anyways, and I'll make them easy, don't worry. So what we're going to do is we're going to learn the standard for drawing these databases. We're going to practice with that, and then we're going to learn the normal forms, and then we're going to design databases. It's a lot of stuff, but we're going to do it. So we're going to be getting into the standards of drawing databases, and obviously the standard's kind of rough. I mean, there's not a specific way you have to do everything, because that's annoying and dumb. So what we're going to do is we're going to be drawing pretty simple things, and I'll just be kind of illustrating kind of how that works in this video. So what this means is enhanced entity relationship model, enhanced relationship diagram, enhanced relationship model. Yeah, I think that's what they stand for. I don't think it stands for relation. I think it stands for relationship, which there is a difference, as you should probably know by now. A relation is a table. A relationship is a connection between two tables. Yeah, so anyways, yeah. So we're going to be talking about these designing techniques. I'll probably just call them like ERD or EER, or who knows what I'll call them. But yeah, the way you do it is you define your database structure. So anything that is DDL, pretty much. Data definition language, part of SQL, we talked about that a long time ago. We're not going to define the actual values. For example, if we have a table for users, we're not going to put in a row, oh, Caleb Curry with the password of sweet pie is delicious 24, and the email of yeah@yeah.com, and the telephone number of 1-800-YOU-WISH, or anything like that. We're not going to put anything like that in there. We're just going to put the columns, username, password, email, telephone. 3D. That is so cool. Okay, anyways, let's get started. So to draw a table, a database table, you just draw a square. It's like super easy. Okay. Wow. Who would have thought it would have been so easy, right? And obviously, doing this on a chalkboard is not very convenient because, for one, you're limited in space, and for two, most of you guys don't have chalkboards, and for three, I don't know a third reason, but most of this is actually done on a computer, and we will be doing that hopefully soon. So stick with these concepts we'll be getting into on the computer design for whatever reasons, and obviously as I make new videos in the future, that's what I'll be doing. So for now, we'll learn the concepts, and you can download entity relationship design programs such as MySQL Workbench. I made other ones like Vertibello or something, I don't remember what it's called, and a couple others which you can design for any relational database management system on that one. So go check out my other videos, or my playlist. I think it's under reviews or something. But I don't know. Look up database design on my channel, see what I got. You can also just look up EER or ERD relationship or design, and you can get all kinds of apps and programs to help you design your databases. And then some of them have what's known as engineering, so you could forward engineer your database design, and it'll basically just program your database for you, and it's super easy. Yeah, but I'm getting way off topic, so let's get back on topic. Okay, so here's how we draw a table. What we do is we give it a table name, so you put the table name either right here in a complete column like that, or just right above it. So we'll just put it up above it right now. So this is a user table, and then what we can do within here is we put the columns this way, vertically. We write them horizontally, but we list them this way. We're not putting them across here. Because if we put them across here, we would assume that we're going to have row value, like Caleb, password is awesome, email is legit, or cool, and then like password, I already said password. But we're not doing that, we're just going to put the columns. So the first column we could have is user ID, because we're just going to use a surrogate primary key in this example. So I could have user ID. Now, when you get into it, you can also put other things like data types in here, and any other restrictions you have, such as not null if you wanted. But for now, and for most of the design, for design concepts, I'm not going to do that because I'm going to be writing the same thing over and over again. And you kind of only do that when you're finalizing your database. So you can kind of worry about the data types later on, but for now we're just going to get the columns, figure that out. Good, we'll go from there. So user ID, username, the password, and so forth. Hopefully you guys can read that, probably not. And then what we do, if we want to create another table, guess what we do? Oh, we just draw another box, right? And we connect these with lines, and we can, there's certain ways to draw lines that represent different relationships. Like that's one way to do it. Or we could have like, yeah, you get the point. Oh, I found a nice big piece of chalk. Cool. Alright, so that's how you do that. Now, that's pretty much all the basics of entity relationship diagram drawing. Just remember, we put these in here, the columns, and what we can also do if we wanted, we could put indexes down here. We could put like index types, and then we could also draw our relationship types with different lines, and we can draw our foreign keys by either putting them down here or doing some other kind of thing. Now there's also other conventions you might have heard of or have used, like UML and other design techniques, and I'm not saying those are bad, I'm just saying this one's super easy for beginners and for experts. So yeah, now that's all I got to say in this video, so be sure to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video where we'll be starting some awesome coolness. So yeah, see you there. Yeah. Oh yeah, 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 yeah.